Morning everyone. Guess what day it is today? It's exciting. It is let's start to build this bike day. And first thing we will do today is we will do suspension, we'll do forks and shock. I'm gonna ride the bike out to Moto4 Play in Groveland, and we'll do some springs, some revalving, we'll do some testing and see how it goes.
Someone asked me about cruise control. I dig it. It is so nice, especially on these longer highway stretches where nothing going on. You can just chill, hang back, relax your hands, and just cool along. Yeah, it's a cruise control. I didn't know what I was missing when I didn't have it.
I've come here to get some sauce.
You can get it.
Can I get sauce here?
Yeah.
All right.
We'll put it in.
Let's do it. Kyle's thing is you pay double if you look over his shoulder all day.
Riding back from Moto4 Play, Kyle Turnis' shop. We just did suspension on this thing. Heavier springs, different valving to eliminate the harshness that I felt when going on just regular dirt roads like this. The little bumps just felt super choppy and harsh. And I know I won't have a lot of time to test right now, but it feels pretty darn good already, and this stuff is not even broken in yet. Much plusher, much more forgiving. My elbows are very grateful, and my back is too. It certainly feels like the bike is a little more old man friendly as far as plushness goes. I've ridden, I didn't record it, but I've ridden a few of the trails that are a little bit more whooped out, and it seems it has more, I guess, hold up is what I would call it. It rides a little higher in the stroke. So it's probably absorbing that initial part of the bumps and the hits a little bit better, which is what I was after, really. The other thing that I did that I forgot to mention, and I'll put it in my description down below as far as all the specs, but I went to heavier springs. In the rear it's a 102, and I can't remember in the front what the number is, but I went up 2 spring rates. I have the preload in the front set at 0 right now because I think, based on what I've read and what I've learned, that's where the best starting point is for this. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, dialing this thing in will be a process. We'll take our time with it and figure it out.